Having a natural talent for tailoring, one of the main dreams of Sevil Mammadova was to have her own tailor workshop. Being an internally displaced person from Fuzili, Sevil was thinking about improving her financial situation with this job. However, a lack of special skills and access to financial resources compelled her to postpone realizing her dream. Then one day, Sevil heard about a special business training program for women being conducted in her region. I was told that there would be a training. I thought that it's very important for me to attend this training. I participated in these trainings, and I know that I should regularly learn new skills to add to the skills I already have. I benefited from these trainings a lot. Before, I didn't know much about starting a business, saving money, or calculating value cost. I was selling my products, but I was not able to make good earnings. I was not able to get income in return for my personal investments. I learned quite a lot as a result of these trainings. How to spend money, how to do marketing. I took with me 4 more women working in our workshop to do these trainings. They also learned much at the training. After learning business planning, business development, starting a business with loans, and efficiently managing expenses through these trainings, Sevil gathered other women living in the same district that could also do tailoring, took a loan with special terms, and bought some sewing machines. She established a tailor workshop in a 3-room building. Currently, Sevil and her 4 women colleagues are working in this workshop and are receiving daily orders. After the training, we started to build our businesses. For this purpose, we needed capital. With our small income and bread money, we would not be able to buy this equipment, so we approached the International Eurasia Press Fund. Thanks to them, we got a loan and improved our tailor workshop. We mainly work based on client orders. We make dowry goods, and in general, we serve the local population. We will definitely participate in future trainings as well. These trainings have a big positive impact on us. Sevil and her colleagues are among those women who have benefited from the Empowering Women Entrepreneurs Through Developing Their Planning Skills project. The target area of the project is Upper Karabakh and the Aran Economic Region, Beylegan, Agdam, Akjabadi, and Berda regions. These regions are affected by war and border the occupied territories of Nagorno-Karabakh. The current population located in these border regions is 737,887 people, out of which 50.4% are women. A target area research that was conducted before the launch of the project showed that the percent of the population engaged in entrepreneurship and commercial activities in the regions falls well behind that of other regions in terms of economic activity. The participation of women in economic activity was especially low. Some may ask why women in Azerbaijan are not active in starting risky businesses. Self-confidence in our women is a bit low. In our society, the main family loan carriers are men. In some regions, our women are quite active, but in some regions, especially in rural areas, women are mostly engaged in bringing up their children. They are focused on their education. When looking at the successful women in business, we see that they have a good reputation in their communities. These women and their role in business can be good role models for the women starting their businesses with small steps. In other words, such women also contribute to the development of society and contribute to bringing up more educated youth, increasing their world outlook. This is why our members also are currently targeting women entrepreneurs by expanding their client outreach. Previously implemented projects by our association helped us as well in contributing to the implementation of this aforementioned project. The main purpose of this project, funded by the Islamic Development Bank and implemented by Azerbaijan Micro-finance Association in cooperation with the non-banking credit organization Eurasia Credit LLC, is to create better access to financial services for women through educating them on life planning, budgeting, and business planning, which will enable them to become economically active citizens, improve skills and knowledge of current and potential female microfinance clients, enabling them to increase their living standards and welfare. One of the women that joined this training was internally displaced person Sevil Valieva. Her husband used to work as a foreman in a furniture workshop, and their income was quite small and not meeting daily needs of the family. Valieva's family was often faced with financial difficulties, but after Sevil joined trainings, there was a new hope for improving their financial situation. Before these trainings, I didn't have any knowledge on loans, managing expenses. We attended this 4-day training and we got new knowledge. As a result, we learned how to effectively use our loans and money. After the training, we approached Eurasia Credit for a loan. We received a loan with special concessions. With that loan, we were able to open our own furniture workshop, and we were able to improve our financial situation. Internally displaced Siver, living in Beylagan, was engaged in small mobile trading before the training. She wished to open her own shop, but with the unexpected death of her husband, she was the only bread earner in the family, and her wish didn't become true. After joining the trainings, Siver finally decided to realize her dream. In order to improve my financial situation, I decided to start my own business. I didn't know how to start it. I decided to participate in these trainings. I attended these courses. I participated in the training conducted in Beylagan. I learned how to start my own business and acquired a loan with special concessions and opened my own shop. Sevinch lives in Azerbaijan, and her income is coming from the mobile trading. Being quite active, this woman had a lifelong purpose to expand her small business. Sevinch states that before joining the trainings, she didn't have enough knowledge and skills to achieve better success in her business. Before, I was thinking that trading is something that you buy and add 5 manat to the cost and sell it. This was one of the special points of the business training. I understood that for putting a price to your product, you need to calculate your value cost. You should also calculate your transportation and all other costs. I joined this training voluntarily. After the training, I received a loan. Today, I see real successful results of this training in my business. We taught women skills and knowledge on how to start their own businesses and how to plan and improve them. As a result, some women started their own small businesses. Some improved and expanded their existing businesses. During the monitoring, we were happy to see how women improved their businesses. Some expressed that they learned how to manage their income and expenses, profit and loss, and applied this new knowledge to their own businesses. Although we were planning to train 76 women with this project, by the end of the project we achieved 90 women trained. There are also young women that improved their skills and knowledge through these trainings. Aishan from Agdam Musical College is an example of this. As she gets her education part-time, she has quite a lot of leisure time to spend at home. She wanted to be a good specialist in baking like her mother. Fate provided a chance for Aishan. Although she joined the training together with her mother, she continued it alone as her mother got sick. She learned cake decoration, took a loan, and opened a bakery and workshop in their home. We were informed about how we could save money and create a business. I took a loan from Eurasia Credit together with my family. We opened a bakery shop, and now we are developing this business. Yale, living in Agdam, also stepped into business at an early age. She joined Gal's tools training that was conducted in Berda by the Azerbaijan Micro-finance Association. Gender Action Learning System trainings were designed by women, women's empowerment, mainstreaming, and networking. Initially, Gal's tools were developed for Africa by Linda Mayu, and was adopted by Iwa Bankovska and Sevinch Rustamova from Azerbaijan. This methodology was used in several countries and helped people balance their lives more effectively. Our second training component was a training module developed by the International Labor Organization, Start and Improve Your Business module. By this module, we taught women skills and knowledge on how to generate their business ideas and how to start and improve their businesses. As a result, women improved their current businesses and started their own small entrepreneurial endeavors. Among the women attending Gal's tools training, there was also Yale. She took a loan from Eurasia Credit with special terms, bought cattle with the help of her father, and is currently engaged in cattle breeding. We were taught how to start our business by taking loans, and when we took a loan, we bought cattle. Now we are engaged in cattle breeding. I'm able to help my family. The microcredit loans allocated for these women mainly cover businesses in the field of agriculture development, trade, retail trading, and the service sector. Providing microloans in this form really impacts the building and supporting of entrepreneurship activities, increasing their economic skills and knowledge. Of course, following its tradition, Eurasia Credit is committed to its mission to serve not only women, but also disabled persons, mine victims, and other vulnerable social groups to help them improve their living conditions and their lives, strengthen their economic opportunities, and help them to implement projects that improve their households. I was looking for the best suitable profession for me. I was thinking about what would be good for me to be engaged in. I heard about Gal's training and attended it. Lamia Amadova is a housewife and lives in Berda. With the purpose of improving their financial situation, she decided to help her husband. She wished to open a beauty salon and serve her community. Lamia says that she is confident in her skills. After joining the training, her self-confidence increased tenfold. We are taught how to save money and how to start our own work, how to take a loan and manage our expenses. I took a loan and spent it for my beauty salon. As you can see, I bought some necessary tools with this loan. In the future, when we will move to our new house, I plan to take a bigger loan, open my salon in the house, and improve my welfare. As Lamia, internally displaced Naila, living in Berda, was not able to realize her wish to open her bakery workshop. However, after joining the trainings and passing the course on baking confectionaries, Naila started to cook tasty confectionaries at home. Currently having her daily income, Naila is able to save money for the medical treatment of her children, as well as meet daily house needs. I also participated in these trainings: how to start our own business and how to generate business capital. After the trainings, we got loans with special terms. Thanks to them, I bought these house appliances with this loan. I'm doing baking at home, I sell my products, and I live with this income. Although these women are living in different conditions and with different concerns, they are all joined by one feature. They are moving towards the realization of their goals, the goals that they consider to be the right decision for their lives. This is the best achievement of the project team, that we are aiming to build this empowerment in the participants. Today, I express my deepest gratitude to AMFA, Islamic Development Bank and Eurasia Credit. I am thankful to the Islamic Development Bank, AMFA, and Eurasia Credit for their achievements. Thank you, Islamic Development Bank, AMFA, and Eurasia Credit.